Tonight, a local financial expert is weighing in on today's Wall Street meltdown. CBS 47's Jason Toktajian joins us live in studio with the expert's take on where things stand and where they may go from here. Jason.
Now, financial advisor Brian Ullman tells me that today's plunge was jarring, but he also says that it's not time to hit the panic button yet.
Today's drop was significant. I don't think there's any getting around that. The old saying is that stocks take the stairs up and the elevator down.
The U.S. stock market losing 2.6% of its value. Fresno financial planner Brian Ullman says several factors contributed to Monday's plunge.
Stocks are probably kind of broadly, especially tech stocks, that are maybe a bit overvalued. And so it didn't take much to tip them into correction territory. I think some might cite the catalyst as being Japan raising interest rates unexpectedly.
Ullman says he expects more volatility moving forward.
August and September typically present as the weakest months of the year.
Although there is an expectation that the Federal Reserve will lower interest rates, Ullman isn't certain.
It's almost consensus at this point that the Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates by 0.25% in September. I don't think that's probably going to happen.
Ullman says the current U.S. presidential election cycle has little impact on what happens next on Wall Street.
What matters quite a bit more is the economic cycle. Are we headed into a recession? Is inflation starting to ease?
Monday was a good reminder for investors to diversify their portfolios.
It's okay to be concerned, but it's not okay to panic. If you're a younger investor, this is a godsend. You're putting money in when the stock market's cheaper for you. If you are close to retirement or in retirement, you should have a diversified portfolio. That's a mixture of not just stocks and different kinds of stocks, but bonds as well.
And there is hope on the horizon. The Japanese stock market suffered its worst loss since 1987, but now those stocks have rebounded upwards of 10 to 11%. In the studio, Jason Toktajian, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.